Hi, boys and girls. So, for grammar today, we're going to be talking about commas in direct quotes. It also might sound familiar if we say dialogue. When there is someone talking in a story, we call that dialogue, and you are quoting what they are saying. So, we use our quotation marks around our writing, and we also have to add a comma. So, it is important to know where that comma goes. We have reviewed this when we practice writing our dialogue, and this will also be helpful for when you do write more personal narratives and I ask you for some dialogue in your writing. So commas in direct quotations, a quote is the exact words that a person says. So if I go to copy from a story and I want to tell you exactly what the author wrote, I'm going to put in quotes and then I'm going to put the exact words and then I'm going to say who said it. So you are also giving them credit. You use quotations to start and to end the words they are saying. So the beginning to the end of the sentence, if it's more than one sentence, you would put it at the beginning as soon as they start talking and then when they would finish talking. And then you use a comma to separate the sentence from what they quoted. All right, so we have a few examples and then I'm going to do two with you guys to get a little practice. So I said, let's go to the restaurant for dinner. All right, so the words that I directly said were, let's go to the restaurant for dinner. And we know that because that is what is in our quotation marks. All right, so there's our quotation marks. And then we have to use the comma to separate the words that I said from the rest of the sentence. So I have it before. So I said, comma, let's go to the restaurant for dinner. Okay, so we're separating what I said from the rest of the sentence. And then we are going into another one. I can't wait to play outside, I shouted. All right, so the thing that I am directly saying is I can't wait to go outside. All right, we see that in quotation marks, okay? Then we see the comma because that's after I was done speaking. And then it says I shouted. So you're letting me know how I said it and who said it. All right, so I put another quotation in this one, but I did not put a comma. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the sentence and then you're going to have to think of where the comma goes. So you can play video games after homework, Mom said. All right, so think about where the comma goes. We see exactly what Mom said. Mom said you can play video games after homework. Okay, so how would you separate that from what Mom said? You would put the comma after homework right here where it says Mom said. Okay, and the last one is, would you like to go to the beach? Jill asked. So our comma would go here, separating from what Jill asked. And one thing that I did not add was a question mark. She is asking a question, so that question mark has to go before the end of those quotations. So we have, would you like to go to the beach? Question mark. And our quotations, comma, Jill asked.